Today I'm going to be selling my WE1911 Full Metal Gas Blowback MEU Colt 1911. Yeah, I already said that. Anyways, yeah, the first item you'll notice is full metal, pretty heavy, and with the mag in, the mag's full metal also. It'll come with this adapter. I don't know, it's about $12 originally, and I just got it because my old one broke, and I'm selling mine. I'll just sell this for an extra $5, and I got some Xbox stuff. I'm selling this wireless mic. I don't really need it anymore. I think wired's more comfortable. And this wireless adapter for a computer, gaming, I'm done with that. So if anybody wants to buy it, I'm fine with that. But that's off the side. The other thing I've got is a World War II rucksack I used in 2 games. It's amazing. We can fit a lot of crap in it. That's the inside of it. It fits really well for short or tall people. It's really easy to adjust for tall people. It looks just like a rucksack, and it can fit a bunch of